gonna try one more time. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. We're gonna make a slushie today. Why a slushie? It's almost summertime. I know everyone wants to go on a holiday just by the pool, sipping their own cocktails or mocktails. So I'm at home, unfortunately, and it's 27 degrees today in London. So yeah, I decided to make a slushie, but I need to wait for it because I don't have anything frozen in my freezer. So actually I'm gonna make my slushie base right now, and yeah, let's go and make this slushie. I was going through my cupboard, which I store all my spirits, liqueurs, everything, and I came across my Melon Liqueur. I've got it actually from Italy, and I just opened it before recording this video to make sure it's still usable because it's a crema liqueur. But anyway, we're going all out on melon. I've got my cantaloupe there as well. As you know, alcohol has a lower freezing point, which means it's not gonna freeze perfectly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dilute it a bit. What you need first is I'm gonna take my vodka, start off with vodka. What you need is half a pot of vodka for your ice cube. I'm gonna put like 15 ml. Then you need 1 part lime juice. I'm gonna use the store-bought one. So right now I'm gonna try and pour 30 ml. So that's 15. And the main liqueur is my melon. You need 1.5 parts, so I'm gonna go with 45 ml. Oops. Use this really cute sapphires to make my ice. I'm trying to pour this in. See how it goes. I think I can fill 2 maybe with this much liquid. Okay, that's 1. And I'm gonna do second one too. Perfect. So this is our ice malt for the cocktail. But what we need also is the slushie base. So my idea is to make a slushie base, put a ice cube on top of it and top it off with maybe sparkling water or Prosecco, whichever you prefer. And slowly the ice is gonna melt and like the flavor is gonna infuse with the cocktail mix that I've got in the glass. So for that slushy base, you need your melon. I'm gonna use a cantaloupe, but it's kind of a melon. And for that, I'm gonna make some cubes. Let's see how many I'm gonna get. It's sweet, it's nice. Obviously take the seeds out. You don't need any seeds in there. Perfect. Force it to get in there. Now, obviously, because you're gonna blend this slushy base, you can top it off with some water. The melon's gonna float, except for the ones that I forced in. And I'm gonna add a splash of lime juice. I like that citrusy flavor. Like couple drops would do. I'm gonna go and put these now in the freezer and let them rest there for 6 hours. If not, I'm gonna keep them in the freezer overnight. And yeah, I'm gonna come back and assemble our cocktail. Welcome back, guys. I'm here. I've got my ice, my base ready, and now we're gonna start making our beautiful cocktail, slushy. First thing first, we need to start by our slushy base. I've got this melon cubes, which are all frozen now. You need to have a blender. Oh. Maybe I can try. Let's see. Oh, no, this is not helpful. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour these all in here. I'm gonna add all. It might be a bit too much, and you might need to add a bit of water just to make sure everything is blended and you have that slushy texture. So let's see if I need any water to be added. I'll mute this because it's going to be too loud now. I forgot to put it in. Let's start and blend. Definitely need to add some water in. Gonna go one more time. Oops. So I've got my slushy base. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour it into my glass now. Ooh, I wasn't looking. It smells like sweet melon. What we need next is our centerpiece. If you remember, I've tried to make some lemon liqueur spheres here. I'm gonna put one exactly in the middle. It's gonna look like this. Maybe I should have put it the other way around because you don't want, and like try to tidy it up. Obviously it's not going to be like a proper ice. It has like that ice cream texture because obviously you have alcohol and it's not going to freeze perfectly. That's from that. And then lastly, what you need to do is you need to top it off either with a Prosecco or sparkling water, whichever you prefer. So I've decided to go with the sparkling water. It's because like I have already some vodka and melon liqueur inside. But if you're feeling fancy and you want to add that sparkle, you can add a Prosecco in. Let's add some sparkling water. Perfect. It's so cute. And I'm gonna garnish it with a cute lime. Should I put an umbrella in? Not sure. Why not? Let's add an umbrella. So, ta-da! Here's your slushy base, your centerpiece, beautiful cocktail that you can impress your guests with. But now we need to give it a taste. Let's see how it tastes. I've brought it. Oops, it fell. I've got a straw. Oh my god, that flavor of the melon, it's punch, it's so nice. And it's quite refreshing. Ooh, perfect. That tastes nice. Let's try the sorbet. The melon sorbet. It's gonna be hard to get that one out. Oopsie. Got it. Oh my god. Tastes so nice. Actually, put this cocktail aside. You should try the sorbet. It's so delicious. You should definitely try the sorbet. The mixture is also nice. It's really cool. Like if you're sitting by the pool, you're just relaxing in your balcony, in your garden, whichever. It's really nice and refreshing. But if you're craving only a sorbet, you should definitely try this one, which was melon liqueur, lime juice, and vodka. Tastes perfect. Thanks for watching. Definitely try this at home. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tipsy Duo. Stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with more slushies and sorbets. Cheers.